unboxing here. It's a pre-stream, the Taze Valley Classic Computer Club. We're going on for real at 7, but Brent got here a little bit early, and there is a package addressed directly to him.
Just like I like my bombs.
That needs unopened, absolutely.
Unopened, that's right. We're sealing this box in another box.
Now, I would have brought something down here to open this up with, but I did not.
I can just gnaw on the package.
Let me run up and get something.
See, I've finally done it. I've taken over the show. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Babbling with Brent. I'm your host, Brent. Today, we're going to be unboxing this lovely box. It's full of box.
All right.
Oh, crap. Well, my power is over. Ooh, trust me with a box cutter.
I imagine you've used a couple of those working in your current position.
Yeah, I've actually gotten decently good at them. I mean, not for tape cutting, but for other reasons.
Do you have a circular cutting device at work?
No. No, I actually have bought one for my own personal use. You mean the cut circles, not like a pizza cutter. Yeah. I bought one for my personal use thinking, man, I'm going to do so much with this. For cutting foam core and stuff like that.
Right, for like Hun Commander or something like that.
And it's no good. You have to use punches to get good circles.
That makes sense.
So, are we ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Oh, wait.
Here's a message.
Don't get too excited. This envelope is just packing filler.
Oh.
Well, see, here's what people don't know about me. I love packing filler. I mean, the box is already made. I don't need to go on.
You can't get enough of some good packing filler.
And let me tell you something. That is some firm packing filler.
You know, they make... I was looking online, and this is not what this is, but Uline actually makes something that looks like this, that you like pop a thing, almost like opening up like an emergency raft.
Right.
And it will
fill
expand.
it up. Yeah.
So.
All right. Oh. Starter kit for a Raspberry Pi 4.
Wow.
Inside.
Not a Raspberry Pi 4.
The Raspberry Pi 4 runs on some tapes, baby. Actually,
like
these aren't
Japanese
tapes. These are... Wait a minute here. We'll come back to the rest of the box in just a moment. Let's see what we got here. Because this, I can read this. Battle in Galaxy. Oh my. Look what it says this is.
Super Cassette Vision.
Oh my goodness. Surely he did not do the deed, but I'm starting to get the solid impression that the deed has been done. Now see, some of you might read this. It's Japanese and be like, what's that say?
I don't know what that says.
Golf.
Oh.
Not that I can read it. I'm just really good at pictures.
You know, that always has been one of your strengths.
Holy cow. Oh.
Is that Mappy?
That is not Mappy. No. I know it looks like Mappy, but it is not. That is a Mappy-like simulation.
Sappy.
That's right. I want to take a look at one of these carts. Because these are carts, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh,
they
look how
sort of
tiny.
fit in there. They fit in there in a neat way, too.
Elevator fight.
Okay.
That's how you don't get sued from the elevator action, folks. Yeah. That is an itty-bitty little thing. That is awesome. That is incredible. Let's see what else we got in here. Wheelie Racer.
Okay.
Now, I believe...
Hey, Sanxion. Hey, Barkbit. Dunk. Jason. Welcome.
I believe that this is a...
is that
like a...
oh, it looks like Bump and Jump.
It's not Bump and Jump. I cannot remember the name of it.
Oh, like a Spy Hunter?
Oh, no.
Okay.
It's oh my gosh. Embarrassingly, I cannot remember the name, but we'll move on.
All right.
Kung Fu Road. Wow.
It's very interesting that they What?
Look at that color of the cart.
Yeah, that's
awesome.
A taupish mauve. Can I see that?
Absolutely.
What is this? Is this a control pad? And this is telling you how to play?
I do believe so.
Wow. So they give you the instructions right there on the cart label.
And I do believe.
But this must have come out in France. This was the system released in Europe?
Yes.
I didn't recall that from the ARG.
What? Can't go wrong with a little punch boy. Man, that was around a kid today I wanted to punch. But well, that's the story for another time, I guess. Boulder Dash.
Oh.
An obvious classic.
Yep.
A little Super Soccer.
All right.
And last but not least, Astro Wars.
Oh, man.
Now,
that is quite a library.
Let me tell you something. There's more in this box, and I'm almost afraid to open it. My poor little heart might not be able to take it. Let me put these aside for just a moment. Look at that, stacks in there. It's like this box was made for these cards.
Yeah.
I mean, from a smarter man that can put them in than me.
It's a puzzle in itself.
It's
another part of the game.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm losing like crazy. Lost life. Well, you know what they say about puzzles. Just force that bad boy in there.
This was the system. Is this the system where they numbered all of the cards? Okay.
Yep.
I recall that from the episode.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah. I do believe that, yes, the system is actually inside of this box.
Are you telling me that you are the proud owner of a Super Cassette Vision?
I do believe I am. There's, I believe, a power cord.
Okay.
Holy moly, look at this beaut. Hey, I have something to bring to Computer Club.
Yeah, no kidding.
All right, little tape. Mm-hmm. You've done your job. Now go away. I'll have to say I'm used to much sharper little knives, but I understand.
This is from Rushi over in Germany. Oh, there it is.
Look at that.
Man, that is an attractive looking
Holy
unit.
Moly, that is so cool. Awesome.
And there's
Look
the
at the little controllers on this thing.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool. That is so cool. Wow.
I am tickled pink. Christmas came early this year. Way early. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Let me see one of those little bad boy carts. Oh, I took them away from you, didn't I?
That's okay.
No, you took them away from me.
I took them away from you. Here you go.
I'm curious.
Boulder Dash.
On how far down these things set. Yeah, just as I thought. Unless they go in this way. Nope. They have to go in this way. They're keyed. Good for you, system, for being keyed. You can actually see the instructions.
Right. It's perfect.
While the game is inside of the cart.
Why did no one else think of that?
That is brilliant.
Who was the manufacturer of the Super Cassette Vision? Yen?
You know, this one was from Yum Video.
Oh, okay. So there were multiple manufacturers. It's like the 3DO or the MSX, where there was.
But, you know, there is another style of these, and I'm guessing it's not from the same people. We do have one more thing in this box that is, I believe, connectors. Holy moly, Aaron is going to flip his little lid. I wonder... Yeah, little SCART connector.
Yep. SCART action.
And that is the power supply,
This is the power supply. Now, this is a...
We'll have to get a little step down.
Yeah, this is a 220 only.
Yeah, step up.
Yeah, so I've got... No, we want to step down, because we want to step down to 110.
Correct, yes.
But if... It's a shame that Aaron did not know to bring his SCART to HDMI converter, because I bought, for Ireland purposes, a step-down converter that I have upstairs.
Oh my gosh!
So we are dangerously close to being able to fire this thing up tonight.
That is crazy. You know, we've got some time. We might have to make that happen.
Yeah.
Incredibly generous. He's not even in here, is he?
No, I'm sure he's asleep.
Well, we are going to... mention his name for sure come tomorrow.
Thank you, Rushi. You are the man.
Look, the player 2 is red. Player 1 is blue.
You know, this doesn't feel too bad.
No.
It doesn't feel too bad at all.
They are, I mean, if you take them, you push them, and you can feel the click doing it. It's got a big dead zone in the middle. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And these are the buttons. You would think they're just for left-handed, right-handed people, but I don't believe that's true.
It's a 2-button deal.
Grab one of those
English cards or not Japanese cards. Let's see. Here you go. Try that one.
Let's see what we got. Let's see if this one has. Yep. See, this one is definitely two different functions for the buttons.
What so is
they
the,
are two button.
Did you say there was still one more thing in that?
No. That was the.
Well, guess what? There's a couple more boxes here from Rushi. And the man has just arrived.
Oh, and also more packing material.